What I'm about to show you isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a fundamental shift in how fast you can go from idea to income. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first educational and implementation solution to help professionals and organizations get ready for the future of work. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage in our online school, the AI R&D Labs. Learn more at firstmovers.ai/labs. Here's what just happened. I asked Replit's AI agent to build me a paid subscription app. No coding knowledge, no Stripe dashboard setup, no API keys to manage, just a simple conversation. And 20 minutes later, I had a functioning business accepting real payments. I literally typed 5 words, add payments to my app. And Replit handled everything automatically. The entire payment infrastructure, sandbox testing environment, database models, authentication flow, and payment processing, all of it. This should not be this easy, but it is. And that's the part that's about to change everything for millions of people. Let me show you what changed. Replit just launched Stripe payments integration, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Now, I know payment integration has existed forever, but here's what makes this different and why even experienced entrepreneurs are freaking out. Traditionally, adding payments to an app meant creating a Stripe account, generating API keys, writing integration code, setting up webhooks, configuring database schemas, building payment forms, handling errors and edge cases, testing in sandbox mode, securing customer data, deploying to production. Even experienced developers spent 4 to 6 hours minimum on payment integration. For beginners, you'd either need to hire someone for $500 to $2,000 or spend weeks learning how to code it yourself. That barrier to entry kept millions of people from ever starting. Here's what it looks like now. You open Replit, you describe your idea in plain English. The AI builds your entire app. Then you simply say, add Stripe payments. That's it. Done. Replit agent handles complete Stripe integration. No API keys needed. Automatic sandbox environment for safe testing, payment flow setup, one-time subscriptions, donations, database models for customer and transaction data, authentication and security, everything you need to start accepting real money. And here's the wildest part. You test everything with fake payments in the sandbox. No real money moves until you're ready. Then when you connect your actual Stripe account, you go live from idea to first dollar in minutes, not months. This isn't just about speed. It's about access. For the first time ever, anyone with an idea can build a revenue-generating product without technical skills, without hiring anyone, and without spending a cent up front. Think about what this means. The teenager with a SaaS idea can build and launch it this weekend. The freelancer can create a subscription service for clients in an afternoon. The creator can turn their content into a paid digital product in minutes. The entrepreneur can test 10 different business ideas in a single month. Let me show you what people are already building: one-time payments. Sell digital products, icons, templates, guides, prompts. Create storefronts for your designs. Build donation flows for community projects, subscriptions. Launch membership sites. Build paid tools and utilities. Create premium content platforms. Develop SaaS products with recurring revenue full businesses, e-commerce stores, educational platforms, community access, productivity tools, creative applications. And because everything happens through Replit Agent using natural language, you can literally ask, build me a subscription tool for X, and watch it create the entire thing, including payments automatically. Here's what's making this go viral. Speed to revenue. Before, idea. Learn to code, months. Build MVP, weeks. Add payments, days. Launch, finally. First dollar, hopefully, now idea. Describe it to Replit, minutes. Add payments, 1 sentence. Test, minutes. Launch, instant. first dollar, same day. I'm watching entrepreneurs go from I have an idea to I just made my first sale in the same video. That's not normal. That's never been possible before. This is what I mean when I talk about AI creating abundance. We're removing the technical barriers that kept brilliant ideas from becoming real businesses. You don't need to know how to code, understand payment APIs, hire a technical co-founder, spend thousands on a developer, wait months to launch. You just need an idea, Replit free to start, a Stripe account free, and the willingness to build. Here are some ideas you could literally build and monetize before this weekend. A subscription productivity tool for your niche, a paid community platform, a digital product storefront, a membership site for your expertise, a premium version of a free tool, a donation-enabled project, a course delivery platform, a gated creative tool. The barrier isn't technical anymore. The only barrier is, will you actually build something? Here's what nobody's talking about. First mover advantage compounds faster than ever now. When you can go from idea to income in hours instead of months, you can test more ideas, iterate faster, and capture markets before anyone else even finishes planning. While someone else is still outlining their business plan, you can build the product, get your first 10 customers, validate the market, iterate based on feedback, and scale, all before they write a single line of code. If you want to try this yourself, go to Replit, describe your app idea to Replit agent. Once it builds your app, say add Stripe payments, test with sandbox payments, connect your real Stripe account when ready, launch, and start accepting money. That's it. You're now in business. This is part of something larger I've been tracking, the complete democratization of entrepreneurship through AI. We're watching barriers fall in real time last year. Building apps required coding skills. This year, AI builds apps for you. Next year, AI will probably run them for you too. The question isn't whether this is coming, it's already here. The question is, who will use it first? Making money online just got way easier than anyone thought possible. You can literally go from idea to app to income in the same afternoon. No technical skills, no upfront investment, no excuses. The future belongs to people who build, and now anyone can build. So here's my challenge to you. What's one idea you've been sitting on? What's one thing you could turn into a paid product? Build it this week, test. If anyone will actually pay for it, you'll know by this weekend if you have a business. I'd love for you to hit subscribe so my digital clone can keep you ahead of these changes. Drop a comment and tell me, what are you going to build first? The age of instant entrepreneurship is here. Let's build something together.